again, a lot of patience because this thing is like stuck, and so you can get some tissues or something. So we're going to start slowly. So we've done plenty of procedures for this beautiful lady from the land of Brian Lara, right?
And Chris Gill.
Yeah, and Chris Gill. Yeah,
and you said both. You named them all.
Okay. So are you okay? Does it hurt when I do this now? Not so much, right?
Not so much. As it appears and your fingers.
No, some people have a lot of pain.
Oh.
Yeah. Really they have. Because I can see them.
But I can feel my hair like I'm getting a wax or something.
So you have amazing pain threshold.
I think so.
So I think that's the reason why you're not feeling much. Yeah. We're done. Alright. It looks nice. We have a mirror for her. Okay, so we're not going to take off these splints yet because it's just day 6. These are the stitches from the eyebrow lift. We're going to let that remain as well. So this is from a genioplasty and jaw sculpting. So we've got nice contouring. And there is some swelling here because of the work that we did on the cheekbone. We're going to try and show you how she looked before. But before that, she's going to tell us how she's feeling because she says she feels perfectly fine, right?
Yeah.
You want to tell our subscribers how you're feeling with regards to pain and everything else, and have a look also.
I do. Surprisingly, I thought the pain would have been so much more, having done so much work to my face. But I woke up feeling nothing at all.
It's amazing.
I did not feel any. I'm still not feeling any pain. I don't understand how, and then you did so much work to my face.
Yes.
But I feel great. I feel great.
That's amazing.
Yeah, I feel great, and I look great. I really love the results. Yeah, I can see the result. It's still swollen, as you can see, but you can actually see the results so far.
Yeah.
Yeah, I love it.
Awesome.
Yeah. Thank you, doctor.
Oh, you're welcome. So we're going to meet you again after a couple of days, maybe. Tomorrow, we take off these stitches, and we take off the nasal splint day 8. And I trust you will get your tickets postponed by a few days, as I suggested now, not so before.
Yeah.
Just for
safety.
Yeah.
Even though I feel great, but for
Yes. Oh, absolutely.
Yeah, I'm loving it so far.
Awesome.
Yeah, thank you.
That's very nice. Can you get a picture of how she looked before we started, maybe from a chart or something? So we just. You can do some sightseeing though, maybe without having to travel a lot. Once we remove the split, maybe just waiting and killing some time. Some nice places nearby. He has a palace.
Okay.
Not that you should do a lot of physical things, just walk and see and
that's what I'm gonna do.
Yeah, so you don't get too bored. Get a feel of how this part of the world is. It's very different. So
yeah, that's all I like to do for a few more days.
Correct, and we'll let you know some safe, good places.
Okay.
Not very far
Sounds
from here.
good. Yeah, sounds good. Yeah, not too far from the hotel.
Yes. No, everything is nearby here in this town.
Okay.
It's a small place that way, so.
Yeah. And it seems pretty safe too.
Safe, very safe.
Yeah.
Very, very safe. And in fact, many patients do ask me from the US and other countries, some have asked me, do you have crocodiles or, snakes? No, I'm serious. That's the idea they have.
Oh.
Yeah, but it's not like that. And it's also very safe. I don't even lock my car. We are in a very safe part of India. I wouldn't say this is the same all across India.
Yeah.
But here it is very
safe. That's
Yes,
very
absolutely.
good. That's very good.
This part of the country is absolutely
Peace of mind to know that.
Yes, it is. I'm sure we didn't have any untoward incidents till now, right?
Yeah.
So far no patients have told us anything. Even those patients who travel from other parts of India, some of them really love the place. The only thing they don't like is the heat and the sweat.
Yeah, it's very hot, but I'm used to it. I'm from Jamaica.
I know, but when they come from the north of this country where it's a bit colder and not so humid, that's something that they don't like. And also they have some issues with the food because I think it's a little bit more oily and spicy and a little bit different flavors.
Yeah, it's very different.
Yeah, but other than that, they all like the general clean, more nature-like setting, more green, more trees. beaches nearby, everything. 1 second, I'll just try and get the pic.